Hello Isaac in India, welcome to the Education of Learning Network. In this, we're going to cover three aspects, that is why of learning networks, implementation of learning networks, types of learning networks. Now coming to the first aspect, that is why. There are four measures in which the why has been selected: simple segmentation, global supply and demand alignment, better product packaging, GLE implementation, quality. Coming to the first one, simple segmentation. In this, we identify the sub-products that as an ISEC in India, we need to work on, according to which are working for ISEC International currently. Second, according when we have analyzed the kind of segmentation that we want to do, we align it with what ISEC International is going to work with, and we raise EPs and TNs accordingly. So a global supply and demand and alignment happens accordingly. Now, with GIP has not been a product that has been very strong. Now we are making a better product, that is learning networks. So we have packaged it into a better product. Fourth being, quality is one of the major issues that ISEC in India has been facing, either an EP or a TN. Now, with the implementation of GLE, we improvise a quality and the experience of a stakeholder that is involved. Now, going to Niels for implementation of learning networks.
Okay, awesome. So we have decided that there will be 5 phases to the implementation of learning networks. Again, this is GIP as a whole. So OGX and ICX are implementing GIP.
Yeah.
OGX and ICX are implementing learning networks. Okay, so the first phase is market segmentation, which is basically identifying what are the sub-products that you want to work with in your city. What are the sub-products that are the strongest in your city? And once you've identified that, you move on to the second phase, which is basically planning how you want to work with those sub-products, the number that you want to achieve, and the kind of the number of TNs that you want to raise under that sub-product, and the number of EPs you want to deliver under that specific sub-product. Once you've done your planning, you need to move on to the third phase, which is basically promoting your LN. So once you decided what LN or which sub-products you want to work with, you start promoting those specific sub-products in your LC. The fourth phase is basically delivering the EPs or the TNs, and the fifth phase is basically implementing the global learning environment so that we address the issue of quality. However,
like it has a different aspect in OGIP and IGIP. For an IGIP, the interns comes after the delivery, and the better experience needs to be delivered after in phase 5. But for an OGIP, the delivery happens once the intern has been educated. So for OGIP, 6 elements of GLE come as phase 4, and for phase 5, it turns out to be delivery.
Again, even though we have 5 phases under the implementation of learning networks, we want to focus on only 4 phases, which are basically market segmentation, planning, promotion and delivery. Implementation of global learning environments are something that we want to do only after LCs are better equipped and have actually been producing high volumes of GIP in their LC. So again, the 4 phases that we want to focus on are market segmentation, planning, promotion and delivery. So now finally, the kind of LNs that we want to work with. The first LN is called Phoenix, which is basically your technical LN, which consists of IT and engineering. The second LN is called Education, which basically consists of your teaching sub-product. The third LN that we want to work with is Marketing, which is also called Eureka. And the final one is called Emerging India, which is basically business administration. So folks, this is Learning Networks 101. This is why we do Learning Networks. This is how we want to implement Learning Networks, and these are the kind of LNs that we will be working on. This is it for now. I hope this was simple and you guys have understood how and why we are doing Learning Networks and how we want to take this forward. And as a last closing note, change GIP,
Change ISEC.
Thanks guys, see you later.